everyone. I have been always fascinated with traditional artwork. In this video, I am going to share with you how to do lip-pen artwork, which is also known as mud mirror art. It is mainly originated from Kutch region and some parts of Gujarat in India. Clay and mirror pieces are used to make this lip-pen art. Lip-pen art is used to decorate walls of houses. Mainly it is done in white color. Traditionally it is done in white color, but we can also add colors to it. In this artwork, we can see floral patterns, geometrical designs and beautiful motifs. So let's start how to make lip-pen artwork. Let's see what things are required to make the lip-pen artwork. Mainly you need a hardboard or a wooden plank to make it. I have used a cake base because it has a thick cardboard, so I have used it as my base. And you can use it in any shape or size, whatever is available with you. Then you can make the design or patterns on which you will stick the clay and mirror. So I have started with a center mirror piece, which I have already sticked at the center. And then we need air dry clay for it, because it is easy to store. Please make sure to store it in an airtight container or a Ziploc bag. Next we require glue. The glue can be any liquid glue or white glue. Then mirrors of different shape and sizes, whatever you have. In case you don't have mirrors, then you can cut aluminium foil in different shapes to use it in place of mirror, but if you get mirror, then it's very good. Now first we will take the clay. For the air dry clay you need little water, or you can keep a moist cloth on it, and then I have made a ball and then roll it on a flat surface to make this type of clay string. Then spread the glue on the edges of the mirror, and then you can fix it like this. Keep pressing it so that it fixes nicely. So first you have to spread the glue and then you fix it like this. I am just showing how you can do it. Like this you can. And press it nicely. First you have to put glue and then you can fix the clay along the side of the mirror like this. Now remember to overlap it and press it, because air dry glue clay, it gets shrink after some time. So when it is dried, it will shrink little bit. You need to leave the clay to dry for around 12 to 15 hours after you have glued it on your board. Now, suppose the mirror size is big, then first you stick the mirror and then glue the clay around it. But if suppose the mirror is small, like this one, if the mirror is small, then what you do, first you make the design, as I have made this diamond design, because I am going to fix this diamond mirror on it. So first you use the glue and fix the design like this with the help of the glue. I am showing it to you. Like first you put some glue and then you fix it nicely on it. And after that, because our mirror is small, then you arrange this mirror and press it. So it gets embedded in it, and you can clean it with the wet cloth or a tissue paper. So please remember, if the mirror piece is big, then first you stick the mirror piece and then glue the clay. If the mirror piece is small, then first you glue the clay and then fix the mirror piece on it. In this way, you can make different designs and patterns. You can see I have used the big mirrors here, big mirrors as well as the small mirrors with different type of shape. All the shapes around the mirrors are made with this white clay. This is air dry clay which I have shown you. Once you complete your design, then you can paint it with acrylic color. If you want, you can make it in white or in different colors also. Allow it to dry for 12 to 15 hours to get the desired results. Now you can see the stepwise procedure how I have made this design. So we will meet in our next video. Till then, keep learning and making new things. Thank you.